What is this?
Chicken.
This is a hen. Chicken is small. Chicken means that is plural. This is a hen, right? It is an egg-laying bird. And the one thing you have to keep in mind, it belongs to vertebrata. Vertebrata means what it has got? Backbone. Here is backbone. And this side is called dorsal side. What do you call it? And what is this called? Ventral side. This is dorsal side. This is ventral side. And these two. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called limbs. What do you call them? These front are called forelimbs. F-O-R-E. Forelimbs means front limb. Like this is my forelimb. And this is hind limb. Forelimb is modified into what? Wings. Forelimb is modified into wings, and the body is covered with feathers. Body is covered with feathers, right? So these are the claws. What is this? Claws, right? And this is thigh. What is this? Thigh. And what is this? Breast. What do you call it? Breast. Now I'm going to show you the brain of this chicken. Right, what do I show you? Brain, and then some internal parts. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to cut and see, that is your matter. Oh, knife is here. One this
Chop board.
chopping board.
Coming.
It's going washing and coming. It's very clean person. Very strong.
Sir, what we need?
Where is chopping board? Where is he?
In toilet.
He should clean that side.
Oh, you will hear no? It will be.
Bring, bring, bring.
Come here, little bit. Look, now, okay. Oh, look, there's the
Time is running. Sorry? Okay. ले गए? Okay, then we'll see you. और this do operation here.
Was brain na?
First brain, okay. Brain was this, right? Brain you want to see?
Yes,
This is
sir.
the big.
Sir is no use. What thing?
No, it's not, but this is there then what is it? Like cutting the curry, isn't it? Just like cutting the
You also,
curry.
bro. Sit here. Why are you?
So brain is very delicate. Brain is very soft. But that delicate part is supported or protected by very hard part. Here is this outermost part is skin. See? Skin. Let me take out, right? And this is the imagination also. See? What taken out? This skin is here. Brain lies here. Here is hard part. You can touch and feel it also. Touch and feel, you just think. Very hard, right?
I know that.
Hard. Let me cut, okay?
Not like you brain. You don't have brain.
Excuse me, please don't talk, no. If you talk, brain is here, located here. Very soft. Pass it to your friends. How soft it is. Touch it. Yeah, that's very soft part. Very soft part. No, don't.
You come in and best to sit there.
Yeah.
I will show you that what to say. Very spongy type. That means it is
Anmol,
very
show your
soft.
also. Anmol.
It is too much soft.
No. Patience.
Deepak.
Patience.
Anmol.
Yes, look, this is
Spinal.
what?
Pipe.
Yes, elementary canal.
Sorry? Snake what? Bring snake.
She want to
Why
say
not?
snake.
Yeah. Because you brought chicken, I showed it. If you bring snake, I'll show you. But next, every month,
Sir, who will grow that crow? Cats and crow person.
Yeah, bro. Nice.
not this month, next month,
Crow.
we will do fish. What do you do? Fish actually. So means it's bored. Bored, why do you do next one? Okay, don't consume more time. So shall I cut this one?
Sir, let's
Okay,
go.
I'll cut it. You want to cut?
Yes.
I will show you the part, right?
It's so fun to
bread.
cut, no?
It is not so much. It doesn't cut. Bring another one. Bring another one.
Person, bring another one.
You go. You are nearby and pass it. One is acting the next. Hurry up, boy.
Sir, dog is so much a slimy kind of,
Yeah.
but it is more clean.
That is
Put your
great.
finger in that beak. There is a tongue. Tongue.
Your wicket is that. That is your cricket bat. And it was not cutting, so that may cut. See this one, children. Yeah, it is a bit. See here.
It is
Yeah.
not he cast out
Philip.
the tongue.
What is it? Yeah. Okay, I will show you its eyes also. Hey.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Give something.
They are like they are first time creator.
No, you want to say, sir. It is so fun to catch it. What they put like gold in. No, what catch it? Yes. One I do them.
Here is the eye.
Sir, give one here, ma'am.
Okay, I'll pass it to you. One or boy, one for girl. No problem. I will give you. Wait, let me
Hello.
For boys. Anmol, Anmol.
This are your eye problem. Keep this.
add bone right there.
It is very dangerous. Sir, it is tasty. Today they are very lucky. Huh?
Very man, like okay. Arina, one crow is very long. Yeah, you got all the.
I think they are gymnastics. Sir.
Yes, in that.
Give her, give her.
Pro also.
Okay, this eye is for girl side.
Okay.
Okay, now I will do the dices for this one. If you want to do, you can do also. Hey, this one, this here. Let me take out the skin. See, what is this? Skin. And hello, what are the different type of animal tissues?
Plant tissue and animal tissue.
Epithelial tissue. This is epithelial tissue. See, upper one is epithelial tissue. This lower one is here connective tissue. What is this? Connective tissue. Here is jelly also. One of you come and see here. Here is jelly.
Hey, Urdu, give me one.
Is there jelly? Jelly here.
Oh my god.
Anmol, that pass, pass. I. Anmol, that pass. I.
Which one? Jelly it separates one tissue to another tissue. See, here also jelly. Yellow is bad. That's right.
Very apart.
Bob, you come this side. Who is there? There's nobody?
Yes. 1 minute.
See? Skin we have taken out, right?
Blood
Now what is here?
doesn't remain inside.
It doesn't because blood gets polluted.
I have taken one layer.
And because of more food, more food, that is fat, that is fat. Hey, love it, don't do.
Yeah, we will also cut this one.
I will bring one thing. Don't.
Give a come to cut.
Cut quickly.
I will also come.
Only that outer layer.
Go a bit far away and see it. Yeah. No, the first you just take out slowly.
Slowly, bro, slowly.
This like this.
Taste this, cross boys. Some boys you taste this. They are here on this side. Okay, they have run. Hey, Bobby, you don't come here. Go that side.
This is good.
Okay, now that skin and
Liquid came, bro.
fat has come. Okay. Now, okay, what is this? This is breast muscle. This is breast muscle, eh? Okay?
There is
Okay, wait, no. They will take on time. More time. Okay, look at everybody. Sit down.
Hi.
Everybody, sit down. Ashwin, sit down.
I will do. Go. You guys.
Now I will show you skeletal or voluntary muscle. This is skeletal or voluntary muscle, eh? Okay? Check. Yeah, that is skeletal. That is muscular, that's right, yeah. Oh, what happened? Here was more blood coming out, right?
Oh, I want to see blood too.
This is called coagulated blood. Coagulated blood. Okay, see, okay. I think more. See, this is coagulated blood. Because of, because of, right.
So this is female?
This is female.
Oh, that's why.
Right, female, that's why. What's the reason? What's the connection? That's why
not
this
very
is. Boy, you gotta come this side. That side.
that side. Oh,
Look, they are very shameful
Hey,
persons.
boy.
go, boy.
Can you see your white face?
Yes, sir.
Go that side, bro.
It is needed.
I'll give you.
That is eye.
One more, you go that side.
Wait, Arina, wait.
There, I'll give you.
Wait.
Hey, don't play with camera. Hey.
Look at
Give it this
If I will do.
I'm going to show you some important thing.
So, here also. Please.
That is blood. Here is this. Children, look at here.
Oh, it is like
Can you see here this some white thing here?
yes, sir.
This is called cartilage. What is it?
Calculator. Unistara.
Kurkuri. Come out this side. No, there is.
Almost. So, here also.
This is cartilage. Right? No. There is liquid.
Ashwin, take that.
Okay, now I'm going to show you the internal part.
So, yeah.
Please go and sit that side. Sit down, everybody.
Look, this is.
Hello. Sit down.
You know you're too short.
Don't play.
I said not.
You can sit there.
Keep too short.
I will show you.
No, I will do.
I will show you.
Put there.
Okay. I will show you liver also. Lungs also. You go and sit there. Ashwin. This is very strong bone at the chest region. Very strong bone at the chest region. Part your friends also. Yeah.
Bro.
Listen.
Oh, one more.
Pass, sir, here also. Austin, don't disturb me.
Now look at here. That is the coagulated blood. See? Blood changed into solid form. Blood is changed into solid
Because
form.
of blood clotting.
Because there was blood clotting.
Sir, give me also.
Why not? You
Due
take
to the
it.
exposure in
Oxygen, with oxygen. See this one. When I show you
Add muscle, where is gone?
add muscle, I pass to your friends. What are they drinking?
This is liver.
Playing with
Ah,
blood.
also.
Oh, they're just playing with blood.
Okay, you Babu, show me it. This is liver.
Go and
What is this?
go there and show me.
Oh, you go, stay a bit that side and I'll show you.
Sir, we should,
What is this?
no need to go
Liver.
there. No need to
A green one. This green one is called gallbladder. What is green
Gallbladder.
called? Gallbladder. In our body also there is liver and gallbladder. This is
I am
liver.
going to eat this.
Kidney there is no.
Kidney, I'll show you. Okay, wait a minute. Eh?
Kidney and lungs. Yes, sir. Yeah, David is.
Give a thumbs up there.
Yes,
See, don't again. So this is a bit hard.
Give me.
Wait a minute, let me cut.
Give me that. We are cutting this.
I'm cutting this. Haddi. Bone. A bit hard is here. We should be very careful on the see this. Okay, what is this? Liver. Liver college. Oh.
Very hard is.
Now I will take out, okay, this liver.
Chicken, how reproduce?
Why liver is like this, red in color, do you know?
Why, sir?
Because red blood cells, when the red blood cells they die, then they store here. Okay, here is one another part also. What is this part, do you know? This is the kidney, let's see kidney. Yeah.
I also say like
No, how big, look at it, go only over that side. Over that side, come this side, Aru. Kidney is bean shaped, yes or no?
Yes,
It
sir.
contains one kidney. Yes.
Second. Only one, sir?
Adrenal gland, I think this is the structure of a bird, but we studied only one kidney. About human beings, means mammalia, isn't it? Hey, what is this?
Kidney.
Almost you can't go there, no?
But why can't? There are two kidneys.
There is only one. There is only
There is only one kidney, boy.
Only one. There is one more.
I will sell and buy.
There you have, I'll just. You can feel it, eh?
Wow.
What your own kidney.
Okay, hey, don't talk. What is this?
It is so fun to talk.
Liver, and this is called gallbladder. Liver produces bile juice, and that bile juice is collected over here, okay?
Arus,
You can say,
after all the
Wait, I didn't touch that.
Oh,
you
Ashwin.
can say I'll cut. This one.
Give.
Get down. You can cut.
No, wait, take Arush.
There will be eight. If there is not a bit.
Oh, chicken. Come here.
Because you're
Anmol.
okay.
Where is kidney, Deepak?
Kidney, I
Okay, what is this? This
Chicken.
is hard, right?
Onmol.
What is this?
Onmol, where is
Now
kidney?
let me take out hard.
Kidney is alive.
Oh, see? This is also coagulated blood. Lots of blood is coagulated.
Oh God.
See this one? Blood coagulated. You got that this side. And see, hello, hey, look at your students. Come here. Oh, boy.
Boys, go there.
Can you see one membrane here? This membrane is called plugging. This membrane is called pericardium. What is this?
Pericardium.
This pericardium protects the heart. Okay? And there is one liquid. It is called pericardial fluid. What is it? This is black. Black is blood.
What?
Can you
Very
pass?
hard.
Kidney.
This kidney.
No.
No kidney.
Long sir, they are but
You took kidney first now.
Kidney.
there must be air bladder, okay? What do they have? Air bladder. Okay, now finally just almost you go that side. Everybody go
What is
that
this?
side. I'll show you now one thing. Okay, see here.
This is the
Alimentary canal. What is this? Alimentary canal. Digestive system, that's right. See, here is more and more fat. Is there fat or not?
yes.
So much fat is here, right? Is there more fat or not?
Oh my god.
Oh no, I'll give you. No problem.
Okay, you are gang.
But a whole
I will
chicken I'll be given afterwards.
Oh, look at.
Look at that.
Okay, now I'll cut and give you.
Viresh, you.
Okay, now go.
See here, I watch you.
Okay.
Viresh.
Person. One photo. You go.
Give it to them. Because this, one we should not take. We should not take this one, right? If this is bad, bad must not be taken. Bad means it contains more oily, and the oil things are very dangerous. Tasty? Oh, then I'll keep it. Yes, I keep it. Okay, this is, hello. Now also, hello, student, you come here. Go up with that side. Yes.
See there, you can all go. You can see there.
Okay. Go that side. Go that
Blocking,
side.
eh? They are blocking. Where?
I'm going to show you small intestine. What is this?
Small.
This is small intestine.
Small intestine.
Yeah. And this one is large intestine. What is this? Large intestine. Why? Bhutan. You want to eat Bhutan?
Yes, sir.
Oh no, it is first one. And this is appendix. What is this? No, appendicite is this.
I think they
Okay.
won't be die.
Wait. Oh, you want to throw it? Throw it now.
Throw it, we look no first.
Oh,
Oh, so that they are
observe.
also.
Observe that small intestine. It also is small. Just a minute. Observe it. Observe. Oh, small intestine.
Take it up.
No, just saying it that one.
Yes, it is. Let's catch like so. This is like
Yeah.
Okay, see this one.
human being is also like this.
Elementary can. Oh, look at that. Hey. I'm just pulling. Here you want type. Tube, yeah. Tube come.
Human place is also like this.
Yeah. Human intestine is
Throw
similar.
that there.
See here. This is called. Hey boys, look at here. What is this called? This is Zanti.
Huh?
What is it called? Zanti. It is the main.
Same time Anmol.
It is the main digestive. It is the main digestive part of birds. See, here is food. I'll show you. This is pangra, definitely. Some they say Zanti, some they say pangra.
So it is so tasty, but here is some.
Yeah, here. Sorry,
They tasted and then ran away.
Okay, now I'm just taking off that part.
But why is this so tasty? What
Cha.
is tasty? Why, sir?
Just pour some water here. Hello. Pour some water. So that we can eat it. Oh, go and get some water. Hello.
What is that?
Bring water.
I will not eat.
What is that, sir?
Pangra, it's a seed. This part is responsible for digestion of food. Eh? This one.
Anmol.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Okay, we can see stomach of this word. Check. Everybody, go. That's a sit down and observe it now. Keep that.
Yes, dog in it.
Which one? Yeah, give it.
They have eaten just.
Standing and drinking, oh.
Okay. Now, students, let me separate this one. Hey, this one. Lungs. Lungs means they have got air bladder. These are the bladder here. This is the bladder.
Anmol.
Like this bladder.
Person.
What is this?
Which one? Go that way. Which one? That is also blood. Maybe hand. Now let me take out this. Go catch this side.
I just
Yeah, see, this. Catch it.
Oh!
Don't do that.
Anmol. Anmol. Don't cover no.
oh chicken leg piece.
Observe it now.
Chicken leg piece. Chicken leg piece. Chicken leg piece.
Hey,
Come on, while this move.
can do that to you. Leave it.
Sir, why is all this move? Why is this movie?
Wait, look. When it moves, let it is flexible. See, that here is white thing. Can you see? That is cartilage. Cartilage is present here also. Eh?
It extends. Oh, this is
Or you just catch this also. Okay.
wings.
This meat, let's say, take out this one. What is this?
This is not awesome. It is like this. Can you pass that?
It is got very easy. Take it.
Hey, wait.
This is invented with
Chess. Chess.
not like this. This
A chest is doing like that. Not long chest is like.
High five.
backbone.
Back. And then it moves because there are joints. They move because of joints. Okay? Yes, this much. Now you go.
And caught this.
Go and give it to. Go in that canteen and cut it. Eh?
Okay,
All right.
I will cut.
Slowly. Yes, thank you.